Sukuma Wiki farming is one of the most common and practical farming businesses in Kenya. Almost every home in Kenya eats Sukuma Wiki. It is cheap, healthy, and easy to cook. Because of this, the demand stays high throughout the year. Whether in villages, towns, schools, hotels, or estates, Sukuma Wiki is always on the menu. This makes it one of the safest crops for beginners who want to start farming. The good thing about Sukuma Wiki is that it does not need a lot of land to start. A person can begin with a small piece of land and expand later. Even a quarter acre can give good returns if managed well. In Kenya today, many young people are turning to vegetable farming because jobs are hard to find, and Sukuma Wiki is among the easiest places to start. Sukuma Wiki grows well in many parts of Kenya. Areas like Uasin Gishu, Nakuru, Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyandarua, Meru, Embu, Kirinyaga, and parts of Kisii have good weather for it. The crop does well in cool to warm temperatures and needs fertile soil with good drainage. Water is very important, especially during dry seasons. A farmer with irrigation has a big advantage because they can sell when prices are high. Before planting, land preparation is very important. The land should be cleared and plowed well. Adding animal manure improves soil fertility and helps the crop grow faster. Soil testing is also a wise step because it helps a farmer know what nutrients are missing. Many farmers skip this and later struggle with poor harvests. Seeds are a key factor in success. There are local varieties and hybrid varieties. Hybrid seeds are more expensive, but usually give better yields and stronger resistance to diseases. In Kenya, good seeds for 1 acre may cost between 2,000 Kenya shillings and 10,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the variety. Seedlings are first raised in a nursery for about 4 weeks before transplanting. After transplanting, proper care is needed. This includes watering, weeding, top dressing, and spraying against pests. Sukuma Wiki is attacked by aphids, diamondback moths, and fungal diseases. If not controlled early, these can destroy the crop. This is why regular checking is important. Farming is not just planting and waiting. It needs daily attention. One of the biggest advantages of Sukuma Wiki farming is that harvesting starts early. In many cases, harvesting begins after 6 to 8 weeks. After that, the crop can continue producing for several months if managed well. This means the farmer gets money regularly, instead of waiting for one big harvest like maize farmers do. Let us look at the money. To plant 1 acre in Kenya today, the total cost may range between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 75,000 Kenya shillings. This includes land preparation, seeds, fertilizer, manure, labor, and pest control. If irrigation is needed, costs may go higher. A well-managed acre can produce between 10,000 kilograms and 20,000 kilograms over several harvests. The market price changes depending on the season. During rainy seasons when supply is high, 1 kilogram may sell for 10 Kenya shillings to 20 Kenya shillings. During dry seasons, the price can rise to 40 Kenya shillings or even 80 Kenya shillings per kilogram. This means if a farmer sells at an average of 25 Kenya shillings per kilogram and harvests 15,000 kilograms, they can make 375,000 Kenya shillings in sales. After removing costs, the profit can be over 300,000 Kenya shillings. That is why many farmers are entering this business. The market for Sukuma Wiki is wide. Farmers can sell in local markets, roadside stalls, supermarkets, schools, hospitals, and hotels. Some supply directly to estate vegetable vendors. Others make contracts with institutions. The smartest farmers do not wait for harvest to look for buyers. They find the market before planting. Timing is very important in this business. Planting when everyone else is planting can lead to low prices, but planting when there is little supply can bring very high profits. This is why irrigation is powerful. During dry months, fewer farmers have Sukuma Wiki, so prices go up. Value addition is also growing in Kenya. Some farmers dry Sukuma Wiki and grind it into vegetable powder. Others wash, chop, and pack it for supermarkets. This increases value and reduces waste. Instead of losing unsold vegetables, farmers can preserve them. Like every business, Sukuma Wiki farming has challenges. One big challenge is price fluctuation. Today prices can be high, and next week they can fall badly. Another challenge is pests and diseases. Water shortage is also a serious problem. Poor roads and transport can reduce profits because Sukuma Wiki is perishable and must reach the market quickly. Middlemen are another challenge. They often buy at low prices from farmers and sell at high prices in town. This is why many farmers are now trying to sell directly to customers. Social media and online marketing have helped many farmers reach buyers without brokers. For a beginner, the best advice is to start small. Learn the process, understand the market, build customer relationships, keep records of all costs and sales. Many people fail in farming because they do not track their money. A business must have numbers. Sukuma Wiki farming is not a get-rich-quick business, but it is a strong and reliable hustle in Kenya. If done with discipline, good planning, and proper market timing, it can become a full-time source of income. Some farmers have built houses, educated children, and bought land through vegetable farming. In Kenya, food will always be needed. Sukuma Wiki remains one of the most consumed vegetables in the country. This makes it a business with constant demand. For anyone looking for a practical agribusiness idea with low entry cost and steady cash flow, Sukuma Wiki farming is one of the best choices.